garage door not closing? Does it start to going down and then reverse back? Most of the time, it is a sensor alignment issue. Let's walk you through how to fix it. Safety sensors are located at the bottom of your garage door tracks, about 4 to 6 inches from the floor. They face each other from one side of the door to the other side. One receives the signal and the other sends it. Look at the small LED lights at the sensors. Both should be solid. If one light is off or blinking, they are misaligned or there's an obstruction. Before adjusting anything, wipe both sensors lenses with a clean cloth. Dust, spider webs, or moisture can block the beam and cause the door to reverse. Now, adjust the alignment. Loosen the wing nut holding the sensor slightly. Gently move the sensor up, down, or side to side until both LED lights turn solid. Once the lights are steady and not flickering, tighten the wing nut carefully without moving the sensor. Now, it's the final step. Let's test the door. Try closing the garage door. If it closes smoothly without reversing, your sensors are properly aligned. That's it. Quick adjustment, a big difference. If this video was helpful for you, please leave your comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel.